Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good week. Just a couple things about the project. First, you are definitely not the SME, and so as such, you can simply put in placeholders. And I had responded to Muzel's post mentioning that, for example, if you wanted a learning activity where students look at a PowerPoint about how to bake a cake, you can simply just make a title slide, how to bake a cake, and upload the PowerPoint file. I'm not looking for you to build out that kind of content. Second, please make sure that you are tracking the changes that you make. You should be keeping a formal change log, and for each change that you make, explain why you're making that change. You do it for everything, even if you end up changing a title to blue from red. Explain why that is. Make sure that you're updating it every time you work on this class. And remember that you may change something back, and that's okay. But essentially what this log will do, it will create just kind of that flow of change and identify your thought process throughout the course of why you change certain things. Now, the other thing is I wanted to mention, you are the instructional designer, so it's up to you to make design choices. All I'm looking for is for you to make informed choices and to be able to explain and defend your choices, hence the change log that you're going to submit at the end of the class. If you have any questions about that, please be sure to let me know. Have a great week, guys.